Hey everybody, we're going to do a Dutch pour today using black as our background. My paint is Saks heavy bodied acrylics. My medium is Floetrol. This lets your paint go on thin and doesn't leave streaks and strokes. It just lets it dry in a nice smooth coat. My mixture for my base coat for the black is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 30% water. For my colors, my mixture is 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. You can also use white all-purpose glue instead of Floetrol. Always remember to do your tacks. I always put mine right in the seam. It's easier to push them in, and that keeps your wood from cracking on your frame. My paint is really thin. You want it thin for your base coat. That way your paint flows a lot better. I'm going to be using white, purple, yellow, and red. 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, 20% water. It's picking up a lot of my black, but you get what you get when you do this. When you drop a drip in your paint, you can get it up. Just like that. Okay. We'll let that dry and then we'll do a body. I'm using metallic gold pen gear metallic marker. All done. I hope you like.